The 200 ampere Synergic MIG Welder offers a versatile 4-in-1 functionality, accommodating different welding processes such as gas metal arc welding and flux-cored arc welding. This welding machine is equipped with a user-friendly LED display that provides clear and precise control over welding parameters, making it easy for operators to achieve excellent results. With its advanced Synergic control technology, this welder automatically matches the optimal voltage and wire feed speed while also allowing manual adjustments for personalized welding experiences. The welder delivers a robust output of 200 amperes, supporting welding thicknesses up to 15 millimeters and ensuring high-quality welds across various materials. It is designed to handle a range of metals including mild steel, stainless steel, and cast iron, making it a versatile choice for different welding projects. The package comes complete with essential accessories such as a MIG torch, earth clamp, and electrode holder, providing everything needed to get started with welding.